Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I'm back with my collab with Amalia Montano and the other girls who I've got them all listed below in the description box. So it looks like not much has changed, but actually a lot has. Under that table right here, there were three more huge totes full of stuff that's gone to my friend's garage sale. Those, not the picnic basket, right down here. I've got projects to do or to complete. Otherwise, the two totes and that stuff, and probably I think I'm going to get rid of that. It's weird, I'm pointing not where it looks like. But that's all going to the garage sale, as is the serger down there. That cardboard box is a serger. These items up here under this table, that rooster box and all below, that's boxes that I might use for storing things, so I've kept them out. On the table, those 4 clamshell containers, those are going to the sale, as is the box behind it that's full of old patterns. I'm going to keep a few and then get rid of the rest. So over here, I've made a huge improvement under that table. I've got everything at least half purged, and then the rest I put in those 2 little blue totes. And that's looking good. The table itself is looking pretty good. Come up here. The table, you can actually see that it's a black table. My dies are a mess, but that's because I've gone through them. I just got to neaten them up. This area, I've gotten that tidied up and purged. I can hardly talk. My allergies are really bad. So sorry about that. I still have to work on those bins. That big, huge tote right there. That is full of projects that I started or, ideas that I had that have not been completed. So I'm going to go through it again and complete them, or, get rid of the stuff. So here's that. Not bad. Here's my table, and I'm getting there. I used for my little punch boards there, that's like a plate rack that holds 4 different plates or tiles. I also use the old 33 LP album holders. They're like wire racks that you can put the albums in. I use those over for my 12 by 12 pads. I'll show you that too. Those tins back there, the saltine and the Jose Cuervo coconut cake, and the 2 little ones behind it or under it. Those are all going to be for storage, possibly. And otherwise, I'm going to try to keep it, this isn't clean, but I'm going to try to keep it clean like this. Like usually I have stuff piled high, ink pads and that. But I want to keep everything off this table. Oh, I can hardly talk. I'm sorry. I want to keep it off this table so that I've got room to... I'm literally losing my voice. So I have room to work. I still have the tail end of this stupid cold. So, not fun. So there's that. All right, so the theme for this month's collab is weaknesses. And Amalia wanted us to talk about our weaknesses. This is my weakness right here. Stamps. All those buckets down there are full of stamps. The pizza boxes are full of stamps. And no, I didn't eat all those pizzas. You can buy them for $1 at the pizza shop. Those 4 boxes are ephemera. Otherwise, the rest of this is all stamps. And this is not even all of my stamps, because I have an IKEA cart full of my, mostly my clear stamps. And I'll stick a picture here of that. And I just went through that. I've gone through all of these, kinda. those Tim. Anyway, so I haven't gone through those yet. I will to de-stash or get rid of. I think everything's just going to go to the garage sale at this point. That stuff down there is my mixed media, and that's a Michael's bin that I accidentally stole. I was so embarrassed. I got home and I was like, oh, what is this doing in the trunk? Well, and then I've never brought it back. This was like 10 years ago, I think. I was going to bring it back, and I kept bringing it, and I thought, how am I going to just walk in there with it? You know, it was just stupid. But anyways, I have it. They don't have those kind anymore anyways. So I can justify it that way. So I have not, that's my Barbie in her cage. I've not tackled all of the decoration kind of stuff up there. I've not tackled, I tackled this hutch. I tackled that when I was de-stashing. I got rid of a lot of stuff that resided in there. But I want to go through it again, de-stash some more. And yeah, those boxes down there on the floor, the pink one with the floral, and then the ones, there's like a stool, and you know, here I'll go like this. All those boxes, that's all swaps. Plus that cupboard, the green one that I want to paint, all above and all below are all swaps. So I've got to figure out, I don't want to like just throw them away or get rid of them, but I just got to figure out what I can do with them. You know, I've gone through them and I keep what I really like, and I've used some that I think people would like. So that's the dilemma. So anyways, oh yeah, my weaknesses are stamps and cookies. Those are my two big weaknesses, and they both get me in trouble. I could eat a cookie. There's not a cookie I didn't like. Never met one. So that is kind of a thing I'm trying to work on. And the weakness for stamps is, I think I finally have gotten to the point where I'm not going to buy any more stamps. There's none that I can possibly need. I've got everything I need and then some. I would like to go through, you know, I do purge or de-stash stamps every 6 months. So I think I'm okay, but I really got to get some cojones and get rid of a bunch. Anyways, there is my weakness. Here is my art layer so far. I'm not beating myself over my head. Am I still? Excuse me. Wait, I got to go the other way. I'm not beating myself over the head for not having this all done already, because it is a huge process. Not just a process, it's a huge job. And I'm doing the best I can with having to get everything else done. I got a new construction project coming up, which is really a drag. We have to recover our entire kitchen, laundry room, 2 closets, 2 hallways, because our stupid refrigerator, there's this teeny tiny hose that's probably about as big as I don't even know, it's tiny, from the ice maker that was leaking. And our neighbor down the street, his leaked, and his whole roof or ceiling of his basement fell through. Luckily, we caught it before that, but we still have to redo all that flooring. And that means unhooking and taking out the wash machine, the dryer, the refrigerator, the dishwasher, and the stove. So we're not looking forward to it. It's going to be a pain, but we shall get through it. So sorry my voice is so bad. I haven't been talking to anybody all day, so I don't know what that is. Anyways, thanks for watching, and go check out the girls down below in the description box. Everybody's got a collab. There's some really fun ones to watch. Actually, they all are really good. So thanks for watching. Bye.